Hi everyone, I'm that guy. And in this video, we'll be doing a deep dive into the advanced find features in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Whether you're a new user or an experienced pro, advanced find can help you get more done in less time. So let's get started. One of the business problems in Dynamics is there's so many different ways to search for things. You can search the context of the entity that you're in by searching the field on the right side here. You can globally search the system to find different pieces of information. But if you want to find a very specific item, you need to use the advanced find. Now, in the modern interface, they've moved the advanced find. It used to be, if you've used Dynamics before, there used to be a little funnel on the toolbar. It's now gone, but you can get to it easily enough. Simply go up to the search box, and it will appear at the bottom of the search box. It'll say search for rows and tables using advanced find. Go ahead and click that. We're going to do a search based on contacts. So the business case is I need to find all contacts in my system where the company is a customer. In the query, it brought up the current user as one of the conditions because I had it set to my active accounts. In this case, we're going to delete that condition. Just simply come to the ellipse, click delete, and that'll go away. So we want to search for all contacts that are active now we can come to the word add a row where the email, we can just start typing an email. With the email, you can pull it down the drop down and go through the list. But if you know the name of the field, it's email, go ahead and type it in. You can come in and you can say where it begins with or does not contain or equals. In this case, I want to say where it contains data. Contains data. And the next condition I want to put in is from a related entity. So I'm going to hit add, and instead of hitting add row, I'm going to go to add related entity. So the account table is in a separate area. So go ahead and hit it. Related area. Now this gets a little trickier. Most people will come immediately up to this item where it says accounts primary contact. That's not what you're looking for. You have to scroll down to the screen where it's company name accounts is what you want to choose for that related entity. Click on that, and we're going to say where the relationship type, and you can, again, type it in, or you can just scroll down the screen, equals, so you just leave the equals on there, and we want to say customer. Go ahead and hit apply. Hit apply. There's a list of my customers. Now, it would be nice to confirm that these are actually customers, so we're going to quickly go up and just add a column. Hit edit columns, add, and the column we want is relationship type, but it's from a related entity. Click on that, type in relationship, and we can find under company name account, relationship type is there. Hit close, move that up, hit apply, and now we can see we have all of our contacts that are customers. At this point, we can do a couple things with it. We can add it to a marketing list. We can export it out to Excel. Many different things that we can do with that, but that's using advanced find. It's simple and easy and fairly elegant.